Okay, so question number 8 here. Find the fourth term of the geometric sequence, and then they give us this geometric sequence. So to do that, let's go to the notes. So I'm going to cruise over here to our notes, exam 5 notes. And there we go. All right, so exam 5 notes coming on through here. Here we go. So sequences and series. So I'll bring that over for us. So this is from the exam 5 notes. Oops, grab it. There it is. And one more page. We'll have all that we need. Okay. So there we go. So here's the notes. So this one is geometric sequence. So I'm going to go down to the geometric. This is on the exam 5 notes. Geometric. Here's the formula. A sub n is a1, r to the n minus 1. So let me write that down. Geometric sequence. An is a1 times r to the n minus 1. And specifically r, notice right here, r stands for ratio of second term divided by first term. Second term divided by first term. So here's the first term. And here is the second term. So we can figure out r, right? R is second term divided by first term. So it's going to be negative 31.5 divided by negative 7. So I'm going to divide that on my calculator. It comes out 4.5 positive, right? Because 2 negatives positive. Positive 4.5, got R, okay? And then A1, that's just the first term. So what do we got then? We got AN is A1, first term, negative 7 times R, which we now know is 4.5. It's the ratio of second term over first term to the n minus 1 power. Okay, so I've got that formula. And now, what do they want from me? Is that what they want? Well, no, actually, I probably, I should have read the fine print. They want the fourth term, actually. So that means n equals 4. So they want me to plug in right there a sub 4. They want me to plug in a 4. They want the fourth term. So let me plug that in. 4 minus 1, which is what? Minus 7 times, whoops, I'm getting a little scribbly there. 4.5 to the third. So a sub 4 equals, so it's minus 7 times 4.5 to the third. And I'm getting minus 637.875. So that's the fourth term. That's the answer. Minus 637.875. They now, having done all that work, and that was correct and right, really we could have done this problem more easily, right? This is the third term. They just want the next one. Well, yeah, but how do we get the next one? Well, do you see what the pattern is? What's happening here from term to term? Well, it's multiplying by r. We figured out r right here, 4.5. The r is what is the ratio. It's meaning it's second term over first term, which means it's what was multiplied by the first term to get the second term. It's what's being multiplied every time. You can check it every time. They're just multiplying by 4.5. So really, we could have just done that one more time. If you take negative 141, I'll do it right now on my calculator, negative 141.75 times 4.5, guess what you get? The same answer, negative 637.875, right? See that? Because that's the fourth term. That's the next term. So you don't have to do all this formula stuff if you don't want to. You do have to find r, though. We did have to find r. That was required because I used that up here. So you do have to find r. You've got to find the ratio, the multiplier, same thing, from term to term. And then you can just just continue it. Just multiply by another 4.5 and boom, you got it. If they ask you for the sixth term, just do it 2 more times by 4.5. Or if you want, you can just get the formula and then just plug in 4 or 6 or whatever. It'll work either way. There we go.